Hey knitters, it's Nancy Queen from NobleKnits.com, and today we're going to make this beautiful slip stitch pattern making these pretty columns. Here's what the back looks like. You can see where the stitches have been slipped. For this project, I'll be using a skein of worsted weight yarn and a pair of size 8 9-inch bamboo knitting needles. All right, let's cast on. So for this project, I will be casting on a multiple of 4 stitches plus 3 end stitches. So I cast on 19 stitches to knit my swatch. You may notice I'm using a long tail cast on, and if you check out this link above, you can learn how to do a long tail cast on as well. Okay, we'll work the pattern as follows. We'll knit the first stitch, then we're going to slip the next stitch as if to purl. Just move it from one needle to the other, and then you will knit the next 3 stitches. Now we're going to slip that stitch and knit 3 more stitches. And we'll just keep repeating this across the row where we slip 1, knit 3, until you get to the last 2 stitches. When we get to the last 2 stitches, we'll end with a slip 1 and a knit 1. Now we're down to those last 2 stitches, and like I said, we're going to slip 1 and then knit 1. And now we're ready for row 2. Row 2 is just a simple row of purling. So I'll insert my needle in the front and then purl across the row. Now this pattern is comprised of just 2 rows. We have the slip stitch row and a row of purl. So now we're going back to the row of slip stitch where we knit 1, slip 1, knit 3, then slip 1, knit 3 all the way across the row until we get to the last 2 stitches and we end with a slip 1, knit 1. Now you may notice that I'm holding my yarn a little differently as I knit. That's because I'm using the continental style, and if you'd like to try continental knitting, check out this video above. I'll take you through how to knit it and how to knit faster using the continental technique. Stop and take a look every few moments. You can see here how the slip stitch is starting to appear in your knitting. So let's keep going. Now you can see how beautiful this swatch has worked up. You can see the columns that it creates. Like this video, subscribe to the channel for lots more fun videos, and thanks for watching.